Welcome to our channel. Compressing videos for uploading to social media or video platforms requires balancing file size reduction with maintaining visual quality to ensure your content looks professional. Step 1. Choose video compression software, such as Handbrake, which is free and offers powerful compression options, or Adobe Media Encoder for professional workflows. Step 2. Import your video file into the compression software by dragging and dropping it or using the file browser. Step 3. Select an appropriate output format, with H.264 being the most widely compatible codec for online platforms, or H.265 for better compression with smaller file sizes. Step 4. Choose a quality preset that balances file size and quality, typically starting with a medium or high-quality preset as a baseline. Step 5. Adjust the bitrate settings using variable bitrate encoding with a target bitrate appropriate for your video's resolution, such as 8 to 12 megabits per second for 1080p video. Step 6. Set your frame rate to match your source video, typically 30 frames per second for standard content or 60 for gaming and fast motion videos. Step 7. Configure audio settings by selecting AAC codec with a bitrate of 128 or 192 kilobits per second for clear sound. Step 8. Preview a small section of your compressed video to check the quality before processing the entire file. Step 9. Start the compression process and wait for it to complete, which may take time depending on your video length and computer speed. Step 10. Compare the compressed video to the original to ensure quality meets your standards before uploading. Your video is now optimized for uploading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.